Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the source. Bitmoji usually arrives via Snapchat or a connected app. Open Instagram and go straight to your profile. Tap the menu icon, then Settings. Once in Settings, choose Account and find linked accounts or apps and websites so you can see active integrations. This step is critical because removing the connection at the source prevents the avatar from reappearing later. Make sure to note which service is linked, Snapchat, third-party avatar apps, or both, before proceeding. Next, you disconnect the integration properly. Tap the connected app in Instagram and choose Remove or Unlink. Confirm the action. If the Bitmoji comes from Snapchat, open Snapchat, go to Settings, select Bitmoji, and use Unlink Bitmoji. Once unlinked, return to Instagram and disable contact syncing, avatar suggestions, or any permissions that allowed image or avatar sharing. Doing both sides, Instagram and Snapchat, ensures the Bitmoji stops syncing, and finally, you do a cleanup. Clear Instagram cache or uninstall and reinstall the app so any cached Bitmoji images are removed. Then scan your profile, stories, saved stickers, and direct message shortcuts for leftover avatars and delete them manually if needed. If Bitmoji persists, double-check Snapchat settings and revoke any remaining permissions on your phone. Troubleshooting tip: if unlinking didn't work, fully revoke app permissions in your phone settings. Wait a minute, then retry unlinking. That usually forces the disconnection to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.